Hey everyone, welcome to EarnZone BD24. If you're looking for an approved Applovin account or want to know how to buy yours, you're in the right place. Section 1. How to get Applovin approval. First, let's understand how the Applovin approval process works. 1. Have a valid app. Make sure your app follows Applovin's policies. 2. Provide accurate information. Complete and correct details increase your chances. 3. Set up your payment method. Don't skip this step. But wait. If you don't want to go through all this hassle, I have the perfect solution. Section 2. Buying an approved account. The easy solution. I am a verified seller of approved Applovin accounts. If you need a ready-to-use Applovin account, I have the best options for you. Verified, secure, and fully approved accounts are available. Want to know more? Contact me on Gmail/Telegram now. Section 3. Why trust me? I have helped hundreds of clients in Brazil and worldwide. Here are some real testimonials from my satisfied customers. So, if you want to start making money with Applovin without any hassle, get in touch now. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.